I'm Jade Oliver. I am the owner of Heavenly Homes and Gardens. We are an interior shop selling homewares based in Bristol and Ross-on-Wye. I studied law at university and I needed a bit of extra money. A family member had given me a set of dining chairs, and so I painted one of the chairs and I reupholstered the seat and thought I'll see if I can sell it on eBay. Honestly, 5 minutes later the phone just went ka-ching and it had sold. And so that was kind of my little first step into it. I became a corporate lawyer. I continued sort of listing the odd bits, and then slowly it just kind of snowballed and got busier and busier. And before I knew it, I had to open an eBay shop because we had so many products. We started off selling painted furniture, slowly progressed into homewares and selling in particular really realistic silk flowers. I use my home as a photography studio, so I use different corners and different rooms to photograph products in and show them in situ. We've worked with quite a few brands and different film companies. We sold lots of Christmas baubles to the Netflix original show, The Crown, and we've also sold wooden apple crates to Game of Thrones. At the moment, we try and concentrate on products that are ethical. We work a lot with sort of women in disadvantaged countries, so we'd like to be doing more and more of that and have a more hands-on approach. So I started selling on eBay 5 years ago, and I quit my job 2 years ago. I never would have imagined that I would end up being an eBay seller full-time. I've always thought that my legal career would be my career forever, and this was just a little bit of pocket money, but it pulled at my heartstrings and sort of tore me away from where I thought I was going. It excited me more than my other career did. Working for yourself, there's just something so much more rewarding in that. I think eBay is an international, enormous marketplace of buyers. Just the freedom that it gives you, the fact, especially when you sell online, I can work from anywhere in the world. You don't have to worry about SEO on your own website or building up your own brand or your own reputation. You're riding on eBay's reputation. Without eBay, I wouldn't have the business that I have now, and I wouldn't be working in interiors. I would be in an office looking at contracts all day long.
Keep updated on awards news as well as tips to grow your business. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.